To make a paper ghost, first start with a square sheet of origami paper, 6 inches by 6 inches, or 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Take one corner up to meet the opposite corner. Hold your finger over the corners, find your center line, and make a nice strong fold. Open up your paper and do the same but with the opposite corners. Bottom corner up to meet the top corner. Now you should see a nice X across your paper. Take the side corner in along the center fold line and make a strong crease. Do the same thing with the other corner. Bring it to the center fold line and crease. So you should have an ice cream cone. Now, from the top, bring this corner in along the center fold line. Nice strong crease. And the same thing with the other corner. Bring it into the center fold line. A nice strong crease. Now you have a diamond shape. Now we're going to invert the folds, which means we want this bottom flap to be on top. So I'm going to unfold and take this corner out as I push that corner in. And refold. Now we do it on the other side. So gently unfold, take this corner out as you push this corner in, and then let this point come rest on the front. Great. So it should look like this. Now flip your paper over and take the side corner in to the center fold line and crease. Same thing with the opposite corner. Take it into the center fold line. Nice strong crease. Great. Now turn the paper over. So this will be your ghost hands. This is your ghost head. And this is your ghost tail. Now for the head, we want to bring the point down to the back. So let's flip the paper over. Bring this point down as far as you want, whatever you want your ghost head to look like. Line up the middle center fold line and make a nice strong crease. There's his head. Now fold down his hands, whatever angle you want. For them to cute and ghostly. And a nice strong fold. Same thing with the other hand. Bring it down. And a nice strong fold. Now for his tail. So gently we're going to bring his tail up and out at about a 90-degree angle. And make a nice strong fold. Now take the tip of his tail and bend it back and down. Again, about at a 90-degree angle. And down. And there's your ghost. Now you can take a pen or a marker and draw eyeballs. And a cute face. And there are your ghosts.